Hey guys, welcome back to Creative Java Programming. In today's session, we are going to discuss about how we can generate Fibonacci series in Java. So what do you mean by Fibonacci series? Fibonacci series is nothing but it is a series where the next number is the sum of the previous two numbers. Right? The first two numbers of the Fibonacci series are 0 and 1. Right? Like here, first two number 0 and 1. And when we are adding 0 and 1 becomes 1. So third number becomes 1. How? Because we are adding previous two numbers. And here 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Right? And 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So like this we are generating the Fibonacci series. Suppose our first two numbers are 0 and 1. A and B have taken, right? So next number in the Fibonacci series would be calculated as C, your third number, right? Our previous numbers are A and B. So we are adding and we are calculating third number, right? And here we are storing A value into B, right? And B value into C. So let's do practically, right? So I have created already Java project, Java interview questions, right? In package P1, I am going to create a class create Fibo, right? So let's create main method. How we can create main method? Type MA, press Ctrl space bar and hit on enter, right? Now take two numbers. Integer A is equal to 0, integer B is equal to 1. Now pass the message Fibonacci series till plus n, right? N numbers. So what is in here? First declare till how many numbers we want to generate Fibonacci series. So it is n is equal to 10. Now here we will going to use for loop, right? For loop. So what do you mean by loop? So if you want to execute a block of code multiple times, then we are using loop. So when we are using for loop in Java, you have to repeat a block of code a specific number of times, right? And it is useful when you know in advance how many times you want the loop to run, right? So let's type for integer I is equal to 1, right? I less than equal to n, I plus plus, print A, right? A comma B, right? First term, first number will be printed here, right? 0. First term, compute the next term, compute the next number, int C equal to A plus B. So next number is equal to sum of previous two numbers, right? And assign A value into B and B value into C, right? So let's run the program and see the output. Here it's giving me output in different lines. So why? Because here we are using print ln method, right? So we have to use only print method. Let's run the program and see the output. Now it's generating in one line, 0 and 1. When we are adding them, then value become 1, right? And 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, right? So here it's giving Fibonacci series till 10 numbers, right? 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. So that's all guys in today's session.